Alright, you should have page 191 out. Should look like this. If you don't have it, go ahead and get it. And we're going to complete this together. Okay? Alright. It says Liam collects data at the park. He wants to know how many animals can fly and how many animals cannot fly. Okay, so we're going to sort the animals and we're going to record with circles and 5 groups. So I'm going to circle with one, I'm going to circle the ones that can fly, and I'm going to put an X on the ones that cannot fly. So you're going to help me hunt and look for all the animals. Some of them are kind of tiny, so we're going to be careful. Alright, so I see a bunny here. That's one that cannot fly. Okay, I'm going to put it over here. I see 1, 2, 3 butterflies. 1, 2, 3 butterflies. Those can fly. I see a squirrel right here that cannot fly. I see over here, looks like a mouse or something. Maybe it's another squirrel that cannot fly. I see, this one's kind of hiding, a bird. 1, 2, 3 birds that can fly. 1, 2, 3 birds that can fly. Okay, I have another bunny that cannot fly. Notice how I went up to 5 here and then I went down. Okay, we're doing like our 5 groups. It'll be easier for us to count at the end. Okay, alright, here I have another animal that cannot fly. I have 1, 2, 3 birds. 1, 2, 3 birds flying. Okay, and then I have another squirrel looking thing over here, and so that one goes over there. Let's see if we missed any. I'm going to have to use my own eyes. I don't think I missed any. Alright, so we have 5 and 4, that's 9. And we have 5 and 1, that's 6. So how many animals can fly? We already said that, 9. How many animals cannot fly? How many of those animals cannot fly? Good, 6. How many animals does Liam see in all? So that would mean we put them together. So that would mean putting the 9 and the 6 together. What is 9 and 6 more? Good. If you do some fast math, you can have the 6 give the 9 1. That would make it now 10 and 5. And 10 and 5 would be 15. So 9 and 6 is 15. How many more animals can fly than cannot fly? So now it wants to know that difference. So if we were making matches, okay, let's look and see if we were to do that. We could go across and make our compare bars. And our circles, okay, and we would put that we have the animals that can fly up here. We put the animals that cannot fly here, and we would know our compare number is what we're looking for, and that would be 3. 3 is what we're looking for, because 6's partner to make 9 would be 3. Okay, notice that you can also find the difference, so you take the one that has more, and you can take away the one that has less, and you'll also find that that's the difference. Okay, alright, go ahead and turn it over. There are 8 swings. 12 children want to swing. How many children must wait to swing? So let's go ahead and draw 12 stick figures, okay? So 1, I'm just going to draw heads and bodies. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. We're just going back to it just to remind you of the other strategy that we've used in the past, which was to draw pictures. So there were only 8 swings, but there were 12 children that wanted to swing. So what you could do is you could match the swing to the kid. So this kid will go to that swing. We can match them. And then the question is, how many children must wait to swing? So these are the children that did not get a swing to swing on, and how many were there? Yeah, there were 4. Another strategy, again, would be to find the difference. So when you're finding how many more than, you can take 12 and you can take 8 away, and you'll end up with 4. Okay? All right, let's look at this last one here. 10 bikes are on the rack. 7 children start to ride. How many bikes do not have a rider? So for this one, let's go ahead and do compare bars again. Actually, we can do this one with the picture again. Let's do this one with the picture. Okay, so there's 7 children, so let's just draw a head above some of these. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So these 7 get taken by children, okay, and these are the ones that are left that don't have a rider. So how many are left without a rider? Good, there are 3 without a rider. So we can take the total number of bikes, and if there are 7 children and they each only took 1 bike, that means that there's taking 7 of the bikes away. You'd be left with the 3 bikes that were left over. So these would be 3 bikes. Let's go back up here. We forgot to put this one. This one should have been 4 children would be our label. Okay, all right, go ahead and do the homework portion.